Whether it's watching as somebody runs a red light or waiting undercover to catch a crazy driver, here are some police who were in just the right place at the right time. This guy ran a red light right in front of a cop and got exactly what he deserved. This man almost T-boned an undercover cop and got pulled over instantly. Talk about a free payday. This cop had to warn multiple drivers to keep the intersection clear so they didn't block traffic.
Sir! Stop. So you're not in any trouble. Just a reminder that you have to make sure the intersection's clear before you enter it, because now he's there and vice versa. It's a bit of a ripple effect. It's the police, so you're obligated to make sure the intersection is clear before you enter it, because now if you see that pedestrian has to go onto the street, that car has to go around you. But now no cars can go this way, okay? Just let me know. So this is exactly why drivers have to stop before entering the intersection, because now I have to watch the traffic. Cars are still going to come this way, and they can hit pedestrians before they get back in. It's just unsafe and unnecessary.
This driver narrowly avoided a wreck because of a reckless driver, and a cop was there just in time. Tried to do a burnout in front of a cop. This driver ran a red light and almost ran into a cop car while he was at it. Instant Karma is a thing, but so is Instant Cop, and here's a case of that. This undercover cop hooked onto a guy for speeding. These two reckless drivers thought drifting would be cool, but they did it in front of a cop. Here, an undercover cop caught a reckless driver cutting through traffic to make his arrest. It's one thing to make a dangerous and illegal turn, but it's another to do it in front of a cop. This idiot thought he could sit in the middle of the road till two cops pulled up beside him. This driver was trying to use the shoulder to pass, but passed a cop. This guy instantly got in trouble with a cop for blocking traffic. This crazy driver tried to turn right from the left lane and found instant justice.
What a bad day. No walking even.
This crazy driver tried speeding past a cop in a go-kart, and it went how you would think it would. This idiot zoomed by an undercover cop and was met with an instant arrest.
Looks like almost all this way will be over southern Maryland. Most of the major coastal areas mid-80s are high. Different story on Sunday. Showers now for thunderstorms becoming lightning. Something on Monday with showers and storms in the rain could be heavy at times and highs also in the low.
These idiots thought it would be funny to drift in front of an officer.
Bak bak el freni çekin. Selamünaleyküm. Abi drip atıyoruz drip. Aç oğlum flashları kapat.
This driver thought it would be okay to turn into the wrong lane, but the cop sure didn't.
And I start to cry each time we meet. Walk on by. Walk on by. Make believe that you don't see the tears. Just let me breathe. In private, 'cause each time I see you, I break down and cry.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on other Instant Karmas.